Hi, this is Rena from thecheesethief.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make this bracelet. This bracelet reminds me of an inverted fishtail with some bands in the middle. That's the side view of the bracelet, and that's the back. So let's get started on this tutorial. So for this tutorial, you are going to want to set up your bands in this color pattern, and this will make the exact same bracelet that I just showed you. So I'm going to start off with my pencil loom, and there's a tutorial out there on how to make this pencil loom. I have gotten a few questions on how to make this pencil loom, and there's pencils. This is very old, but it's basically a piece of paper and some rubber bands and two pencils. So I'm just going to put my bands on a figure 8 like so, my first band, and then I'm going to put my next 2 bands on my peg, just like that. Now I'm going to pull up my red band. Next, I'm going to put my orange band, and this is different because I'm going to still put it in a figure 8. Usually only the first band is put in a figure 8, but now all of your color bands will always be in a figure 8. And then I'm going to put my next 2 bands, which are my gray bands or my silver bands, like that. And I'm going to pull up my orange band. So this is what you should have. You basically have 2 things that look very similar that are not connected, like that. That's kind of what it looks like. Now I'm going to take this gray band right here. So this is a third from the top, and I'm just going to pull it up and over on both sides. So that was the third from the top, and now I'm going to take the bottom one, and I'm just going to invert it with the next one, the one right next to it. So these 2 get inverted. So inverted just means you pull this one, oops, you pull this one underneath and you hold it down, and then you pull that one on top. Same thing on this side. Pull this one down and then pull this one on top. So now you're left with 2 gray bands here, and then we're going to start the same thing again. We're going to take our color band, which is our yellow, and then we're just going to put it in a figure 8. And then we're going to put 2 gray bands, and we're going to pull up the yellow. On both sides. So you have this same thing that with 4 bands now, and they're kind of separated. And you're just going to take the 3rd band from the top, 1, 2, 3, this 3rd band, and then you're going to pull it up on both sides. And then you're going to invert this middle band with the bottom band and pull the bottom band up. So you're going to invert, which means you take this one and pull it down, and then this one and pull it up. So I'm going to do it again. Take my green band, figure 8, put the next 2 bands on, pull up my 3rd band from the top. Oops, sorry, I made a mistake. Now you're going to pull up the green bands. Now you have 4 bands on each side. You're going to pull up the 3rd one from the top, and you're going to invert this one with the bottom one and pull that up. Invert this one with the bottom one and pull that up. So we do the same thing again. We have our blue band, figure 8, put our gray band on top, and then pull these 2 blue bands up and over. And now we're going to pull our gray band, 3rd one from the top, up, and then the last band on the bottom here gets inverted. Okay, just do it one more time. So So I have my purple band. It's going to be in a figure 8. Put the 2 bands on top. Pull up our purple band. Now this 3rd band from the top gets pulled up and over. And then the last band gets inverted. And if you wanted to end your bracelet, you could just pull the bottom bands up. And then clasp it with a C-clip. And there you have your bracelet. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please visit me at thecheesethieves.com for more tutorials like this. Be sure to check out my other rainbow loom videos and just other craft videos in general. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. I love hearing your comments. Thanks for watching, and bye now.